Alright y'all, today we're going to be doing the first oil change on the 2021 KLX300 here. We're going to be changing the oil, or draining the oil, changing the oil, and also replacing the oil filter here. So we got, as the manual says, I believe, the Kawasaki 4-stroke engine oil, 10W40, and we got our oil filter here, OEM oil filter. I got 2 quarts because I think it takes something like 1.2 quarts. So let's get started. So first, to drain it, we're going to start by opening this guy up. And we got a 14 millimeters bolt right here, which is going to be that drain plug. And letting it drain out here. Alright, we're gonna put this drain plug back on. I got it all cleaned off and everything here. God, we really messed up this carpet. Good thing there's like 20 other spots just like it. Alright. I got the bike laid over here. Just to make it easier to get to this fuel filter here and change that out. So I'm gonna tighten this down good, and then we'll move up to the oil filter, not fuel filter, sorry. Alright, now for these 2 bolts here on the oil filter. They're both 8 millimeters. Let's go ahead and do that. Pop that up there. We got our oil filter and the spring right there, which I'm gonna have to reposition. Put that in the middle. We got our spring back set in the middle, so once we put the new one in, it seats in there correctly. This is our old guy here. Alright, the first one, slimy, nasty a little bit. And we got the new guy. Just take this guy off. All right. Let's put it back in there. All right, I'm gonna have to use 2 hands to get those in, but you see how it goes. All right, we got this tightened back in with the new oil filter. We have our drain bolt in, cleaned and put back in, and now we just gotta put our oil in here. So let's get to doing that. Got my makeshift funnel. It looks like it takes 1.2 quarts, so I'm gonna get down to the 800 on the second one. All right, looks like we did that pretty perfect there. So let's get this guy screwed back on. All right, and that's about it for the oil change here and oil filter change. I'll probably switch to synthetic around 1500 miles or something. We'll see, but let's go ahead and start her up, make sure everything's... That's gonna do it for this one, guys. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe.